Alright, boys and girls, and welcome back to Board Guitar, Gracie Abrams, Full Machine. So this one is another great song from her and her new album here. So we'll dissect this one. We'll go clean here with this one. So no need for any capo, 4 chords. And that's what we need. So let's look at the first one. That is G. So 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we will learn this very easy strumming pattern first. Grab the G, since that is the first chord. So one strumming round will be down, down, up. So very easy, okay? So in a context, a couple of rounds of this sounds. I like to play the first down on the bass strings, and then I answer kind of with this down up on the mid top strings. So bass, top, top. All right, so we'll start with the first verse. You have a chord progression there that goes G4, C4, D4, and back to C4. Okay, so it starts on G and goes up to C, D, and then back to C. All right, so you're gonna do this chord progression for 2 rounds, 4 strumming rounds per chord, like this. Again on the second round, and that will be your first verse. That brings us to the chorus part, and we'll now play the same strumming. It's played through the entire song here, so we'll keep on with the strumming there. Now we're playing G8, E minor 4, and D4. That short chord progression you play for 2 rounds. So let's go for 1 round of this. G8. Your chorus for 2 rounds there. Then we have the second verse played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. After the second chorus comes a post-chorus part. In the lyrics, well, do you think we can talk? All right, so here you're gonna play G1, E minor 1, D2. That short part you play for 3 rounds, so G1, E minor 1, D2, G1, E minor 1, D2, and then you end with C4. All that, 3 rounds of G, E minor, D, and then C4 in the end. All that you play for 2 rounds. The only difference there in the second round is that you, instead of playing C4 in the end, you play just 1 down on the C, with a pause, and that builds up for the next parts. So let's go for 1 round of this post chorus, starting with G1. And then a second round, and then you end with just 1 down on the C. Okay, that takes us to the third verse. Same as the previous verses, nothing changes there. And the same goes with the chorus that follows there. And then we have a post-chorus final part there after this third chorus. Now, this post-chorus there is played in the same way as we just learned the other one. So nothing is really new. So that pretty much closes Gracie Abrams, Full Machine. Give it a try, guys. Very easy song, easy chords as well. G, C, D, and E minor, very basic chords, no bars. And yeah, good luck and play tuned.